Hey everybody, welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel and I am back with another bang, that is a job notification of the prestigious organization NTPC through GATE 2021. Yes my friend, you heard it right. NTPC has finally released the notification for vacancies through GATE 2021 and this time which branches are eligible? Electrical, mechanical, EC and instrumentation. And as you can see on the top, electrical vacancies are 98 in number, mechanical 126 and then EC instrumentation is 56. So you have these many vacancies when we talk about the recruitment of executive trainee through GATE 2021, my friend. Okay, so let me start by first introducing myself before we start this notification. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes and I am presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now, this is not what I am proud about. What I am proud about actually is the kind of work that we do, the kind of care that we have for the student community, the kind of initiatives that we bring. Yes, my friend, you heard it right. This team in particular is a revolutionary team who has revolutionized the entire field of GATE and DSE and created some of the best courses on YouTube for free. Okay, and that has enabled lakhs of learners across the country to be benefited by these, and it has improved their knowledge of engineering as well as improved their job prospects. And our initiatives are not restricted to YouTube, mind that. Our initiatives are also available on the Unacademy Learning app where you can access our initiatives simply by unlocking them using the code AnkitESE. Then my friend, you get all my special classes also on Unacademy, so do look out for that. So let's get started. NTPC Limited is the India's largest integrated energy company with an installed capacity of 65 gigawatt. Why? Because it is thermal power plant. You very well know that thermal power plant generates the most of the power in this country. Now, they have an ambitious plan of raising it to 130 gigawatt by 2032. Really ambitious, and this can solve the energy needs of this country. Now, NTPC is looking for promising, energetic, dedicated young graduate engineers with brilliant academic record in engineering discipline of electrical, mechanical, instrumentation as engineering executive trainee in the pay scale of 40,000 to rupees 1,40,000 E1 grade. Okay, so that is the pay scale that NTPC is looking for. That is the kind of engineers they are looking for in order to fuel this ambitious growth. Okay, but let's deep dive into the notification because I know you are not here to listen all of this. This you can read anywhere. Let's see the notification. Now, what is the qualification required? Full-time bachelor's degree in engineering with not less than 65 marks. Remember this. This is very necessary. Okay. And if you have a pointer system, my friend, if you have a pointer system, you need to have a certificate about converting that pointer into percentage because they are looking for percentage. Now, final year students are also eligible to apply subject to obtaining at least 65% marks in engineering degree. Okay, suppose right now I have an aggregate of 70%. Then it does not matter how I do in the final semester, I'll at least have 65%. So if you are sure about having an aggregate of 65% in the final year, that is of the aggregate of the all 4 years, then you should definitely apply. Now, a candidate with a prescribed degree identified by the discipline as given can be applied for the post of EET 2021. Now, for electrical, you need to have a degree in electrical, electronics, instrumentation control is also eligible, power system high voltage, power electronics or power engineering. For mechanical, you can have a degree in mechanical, production, industrial, thermal, mechanical, automation and power engineering. Electronics and telecommunication, electronics and power, power electronics, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics. Now my friend, EEE people, many students are from EEE. They are eligible for electrical vacancies as well. They are eligible for EC vacancies as well. For instrumentation, electronics instrumentation, instrumentation control, and electronics instrumentation. So these are the degrees. Please check out which degree you have done in from your college, and based on that you can apply to the respective discipline. Okay. The next thing, what is the age limit? For general or economic weaker section, it is 27 years. Okay. It is, my dear, 27 years. Remember, as on last date of online application, whatever is the last date to apply, on that day your age must be 27 years. Age relaxation is as per government guidelines for SC, ST, OBC, PWBD. Okay. 3 year for OBC NCL non-creamy layer, that is they can apply up to 30 years of age. 10 year for PWBD, okay, and 13 year for PWBD OBC NCL. 15 year for PWBD SC ST candidates. That means they have different ages up to which they can apply. Now the eligible candidates must have appeared for GATE 2021, and they will be shortlisted for document verification based on GATE 2021 performance. That is, your marks will be submitted by IIT to NTPC based on whichever students will apply. Suppose only 100 students apply, so IIT will supply the result of those 100 students to the NTPC. Now they will shortlist among those 100 students based on the descending order of their marks. As simple as that. Okay, very simple qualification. You will be shortlisted on the basis of descending order of your GATE performance. Now, only GATE marks of 2021 are valid. Though GATE might consider marks of 2020, GATE for MTech might consider the score of 2019, but PSUs, remember, PSUs only consider the score of the latest year of GATE exam. Now, these are the different disciplines in the table form I have listed for which branch you can apply. So your GATE paper code must be EE for the electrical engineering. GATE paper code must be ME for mechanical, EC for electronics, and IN for instrumentation. And my friend, here you have to fulfill 2 criteria. Remember, first is the GATE paper code, whether you have appeared in the right stream, and the second is the degree from which you have done your graduation. Suppose, let us take an example. This year you were eligible for multiple branches. Suppose there is an electrical engineer who has done his degree from electrical and he does well in instrumentation. Now if you see here, instrumentation branch was also applicable, instrumentation and control, not EI. If you are from EI, you are not eligible to apply for this vacancy, but yes, you can apply for this one. So you have to match your degree as well as your paper code. So your degree and paper code both must satisfy the requirement of a particular discipline, and then only you need to apply. That is, if you have given a paper in IN, you are not eligible for electrical engineering. And if you want to use your electrical engineering score, then you can use here. If your background is from electrical, your score is in electrical, you are suited for this one. If your background is in electrical, you are giving paper from instrumentation, I don't think anywhere you will be eligible. Okay. Is that clear? Chalo. Now my friend, the next thing, what are the vacancies? For electrical, there are 98 vacancies, my dear, out of which 40 are in unreserved, 9 are in EWS, 27 OBC, 14 SC and 8 ST. For mechanical, the maximum vacancy is 126, 51 in unreserved, 12 in EWS, 34 OBC, 20 SC and 9 ST. EI 56, then 22 in unreserved, 6 in EWS, 15 OBC, 9 SC and 4 ST. Okay, so these are the vacancies that are coming out. For electronics and instrumentation, there are 2 disciplines based on electronics and communication and based on electronics instrumentation. You can apply in this cadre. Okay. Now the selected candidates will undergo 1 year training at various NTPC plant. Okay. 1 year is the probation or the training period. The final place of posting will be decided after the training. Okay, you don't know where you will be posted, which plant you will be working in. That is only told to you after your training is completed. Candidates can be placed in any of the project station, including subsidiaries, JV companies, NTPC for shift operation of power plant, and will be required to work in shift. Okay, तो बेटा ये चीज ध्यान रखेंगे. You can be asked to work in shift. You can be posted at a remote location. You can be posted at a place where you might not have enough resources. Okay. So when you apply for this, they are considering it as your consent that you might be asked to work in night shift and you are agreeing to work in that. See how clearly they have specified that if you apply, it means you are agreeing that you are ready to work in night shift. Now, candidate belonging to a particular category must furnish a valid certificate. Okay, just you can't apply without a certificate. Now, you need to submit the requisite certificate in the latest prescribed format issued in the current year only. So, if your certificate is not renewed, it's time to get it renewed. Okay, based on the latest pattern, get it made in the year 2021 if you wish to apply for NTPC in a certain category. Relaxation will be extended in case of vacancies identified for SC, ST, OBC, PWBD candidate. Okay. Next, SC, ST, PWBD with 55% marks are eligible to apply. So that is for general, for unreserved, it is 65%. For reserved category SC, ST and PWBD, they have a percentage criteria of 55%. Now, service agreement bond, you have a bond of rupees 5 lakh, okay, and 2.5 lakh for SC, ST, PWBD to serve the company for at least 3 years. Okay, you need to serve for at least 3 years. You can't leave the company midway if you get selected in another PSU. If you do so, you have to pay this much of amount. Now, before joining, candidates will have to undergo medical examination. It is quite standard in PSU. They want to check your medical fitness. No relaxation in health standard will be allowed. Are you getting my point? It is irrespective of category. Whatever health standards are there, everybody has to satisfy. Now, how to apply? You have to apply on this website ntpccareers.net or career section at ntpc.co.in. You need to upload your photograph signature during online application. Try and use the same one that you uploaded for the GATE application. Now, candidates belonging to general EWS OBC category, they have to pay a fees of 300. Okay. Now, the SC, ST, PWBD, XSM and female candidate are not required to pay registration fees. So, only 300 is the registration fees when you are applying for NTPC. The fees once paid will not be refunded under any circumstances. So, be careful while applying because you can't apply for refund. Okay. So, commencement of the online application is from 21st of May, that is today. So, today this section has opened and it will continue up to 10th of June. So, my friend, there are a large number of vacancies released by the NTPC this year. Make sure that you take benefit of all these vacancies. And may the students who have done well in GATE exam, they really get best of the jobs so that at least some of the students from student community can get placed. And then don't worry, others, please don't worry. We are there with you. We will struggle again. We will again fight and we will try and get you as best a job as possible. But at least some students from the student community should go into the jobs. Then only the others will get their chance. Okay. So all the best, everybody. Now, if you want to prepare for GATE, you can watch my special classes on Unacademy app. All the special classes are available on this link bit.ly/AnkitESE. Other than that, we are conducting the biggest scholarship test ever in the history of GATE exam, Navigate, where we are giving out 5 crore worth of scholarship as well as the prizes. So you need to give this test on 23rd May at 11 AM. Register for it now. And while registering, use the invite code as AnkitESE. Okay, use the invite code as AnkitESE. Now, my friend, we are also running a practice series for those of you who want to do well in the GATE exam, called as the Master Blaster practice series, where we are providing 10,000 questions in every branch. Now the person that solves 10,000 question before the GATE exam commences, definitely they will be at a better position as compared to all other candidates. And you can become a member of Unacademy Plus, where you get all the top educators teaching live on a single platform. Teaching for exams like GATE, engineering services, PSU examinations, and state assistant engineers. And not only teaching, they provide you daily assignments, they conduct weekly tests, they provide you a test series, and you also get a question bank. In case you have any doubt, every fourth class is a doubt session where you can ask your doubt freely to your educator. In case you miss any class, you can always watch it recorded. But if you want to fly higher, then I would recommend that you go for Iconic, where all these benefits are there, along with a personal coach who will prepare a study planner for you. Teachers will conduct study booster session and guide you related to how you can study, how you can be motivated, inspired. You get test analysis done telling you your section wise performance, subject wise performance. You get extra study material, and you get a dedicated team which will solve all your queries. Okay, so if you use the code Ankit ESE, you get 10% discount and you study under my personal guidance. Now these are the new batches that have recently been started on the platform for RSCB, UPRVUNL and State AE. As I told, Unacademy is a single platform providing training for GATE, ESE, PSU and State PSC. So my friend, use the code Ankit ESE in order to enroll in all these batches, and these batches are available on a single link at tinyurl.com/ESE GATE batches without any spaces. With Ankit ESE, your 1 year fees would become 27,225, 18 months 34,650 and 2 years 39,600. Now for 2 years you must always try to go for it, because you can pay this amount in 12 equal installment on your debit card without any interest, and 2 years will guarantee your success in some of these examinations, and your fees per month will also be minimized. Iconic 1 year would be 45,225, 2 year 66,600. Again, I would recommend that you go for 2 years. Now this is my Unacademy profile which you can follow, and you can chat with me here, and my Telegram channel to get all the details related to all the job notifications, all my free classes, all the handwritten notes, everything you get here. So thank you everyone. Please do like, share, subscribe and leave a comment below the video that did you like the video, are you going to apply for NTPC, and at last I would like to wish all the best to all of you who are applying for this job. Let's crack it.